What is up, YouTube? We're back with another video, and today we're going to be playing Gang Beasts versus my friend Joshua, and we're going to be 1v1ing and see who comes out with the dub. Let's go.
And yeah, we're going to see who gets the most wins. And he's already off the cheating.
Get ready to slumber, let brother go home.
Guys, I'm a sweat. I forgot to tell y'all.
I drop kicked you before.
I drop kicked you. Shut up and get this.
Listen, you shut up. What?
You lost, like the monkey you are. God!
Oh, get up,
Stay
get up.
getting dropped. Oh, bro, we can talk about this, bro. Come on, now.
Listen, you.
Come on, turn around.
Oh my gosh.
I can't see. Yes, flip. Yes.
No!
Bro really fell on his own. You suck.
Alright, bro. I'm about to come back and destroy you.
That's what they all say.
Oh,
This is gonna be a quick.
This.
I thought you said you were better than me at games. Obviously not so much. You're the best. Worst GTA player and the worst Gang Beast player.
Yo, bye boy. Bye.
Oh, you died. Guys, just to let you know, I'm gonna be at 9, 8, 10.
Are you trying to read
Lincoln Memorial Drive. Die, bomb.
Yeah.
There ain't no way.
Die, bomb.
Alright, now you're getting belled. Let me hear your crusty voice.
Alright, who you disgusting. Hold on, Lennon, don't tweet something. Let's see, Lennon, let's see who can swim the fastest.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, go.
Think I'm
You
sped?
jump first. You jump first, Lennon.
My education isn't low like you. Oh shit!
Oh, help.
Wait, why is my controller out? My controller.
Yo.
Yeah, that's what the big muscles help me with. The big daddy muscles.
Alright.
Big daddy. Oh shoot. Okay. That's how you wanna play it? Come over here.
Lennon, you come over to me.
Alright, bet. I'm not scared.
And then come over to me, Lennon.
Lennon. I'm not scared like you, bum. Oh.
Lennon,
And
go.
you're
Oh!
You're gonna die.
Who's
And
gonna
I'm just
die?
gonna dance. How do I thug shake? I'm pretty sure you could thug shake. Thug shake, thug shake, thug shake, thug shake, thug shake, thug shake.
Oh my gosh, I'm about to die.
Thug shake, thug. But hurry up and die. You're gonna let go. What?
Oh no! I wanted to say thank you so much.
I have one question. Can you just give me one more day? That's all I'm asking for. One more day. But why? Oh, you always get a song on. So sad and pathetic.
No.
You always
Oh my
get
goodness.
thug shite.
Why do you sound country? Thug shite.
shite.
Now this map, nobody kill. Don't kill.
Alright.
Sight boy! Oh, okay.
You thought- You thought I was dumb?
Okay.
You thought I was dumb? Thug shite. Bro really tried it. You said sight and you were on the ground. Good work, boy. Now how do I drop it?
Yo!
The shark's over here.
Yo! How do I get out? Oh!
Oh shoot. Alright, let's sacrifice you. Oh, come here.
Koala hug.
Baby shark. Come here. Let go! Where's the shark? Feed him. Feed him to the shark. Bro, where's our boy? Oh, there's two. Here.
Yes!
Help! Joshua, help! I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I'm
Yes!
Joshua, I'm sorry.
Yes!
Joshua!
Oh. Let's go.
You let me get murdered. Now I'm gonna come back and kill you.
Oh,
Real
boy.
man, boy. Who gonna get the first knockout? About to go Tank, whatever his name is. How am I out?
Yeah.
Bro, pin you against the wall. What?
Yeah. Out, boy.
Oh! That was too quick.
I saved you. I saved you. Let go. Let go. Oh my goodness.
Why wouldn't it take you with me?
Oh, one more win, Landon. All I need.
Yes, just jump off with me, bro. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, no. Get up.
That was almost too quick. Stop! Stop! No, stop!
Okay.
Stop, bro. Stop. This isn't fair. I'll put you up, boy. Knock you upside your head. On block, gang. Come on. Come here.
No.
Silence.
No. Yes.
It's not gonna be that easy, boy.
Please.
Screw you.
Oh, alright, this is gonna be the end of me.
Come here. Fight me like a man. I'll fight you like a man. I'll fight you like a woman.
Alright, I know what you're doing.
Bro's so scared, bro. Come fight me. Get up. Get up, Gerald. Oh, nah. 2 in a row. 2 in a row.
No!
2 in a row. Thug, shite. Can you spell?
Oh no.
Bro
No,
thought it was
no.
gonna be
Get
easy.
Get up.
Joshua, come on, you wanna go to a round 4, right? You wanna go to a final round. Riding and winding up on the floor. I got kicked in my face. Oh, yeah, I got popped. Oh, wee, gee willikers. Oh, not again.
My God.
Bro, it's getting slumped. Oh yeah, final round. Here he come, baby. The sight. Uh-oh, here you go. Alright, let's just take one for the team. We all die. Sight, I'm joking, bum. Give me stop. I'll grab you by your weave, bum. Bye. Yes, sir. What did I tell y'all? I told y'all I was gonna win. I told y'all I was gonna win. That's the end of the video. Yes, sir, baby girl.
Yay!